Hello everyone, in this video we will explain how to optimize your PCB design. After completing the PCB routing, it's time to optimize the design. First, press Shift-M to hide the copper poor areas. This allows us to carefully inspect the routing for any sharp angles or right angles, which can be optimized if found. Sometimes, temperature-sensitive components, such as environmental temperature sensors, may be placed on the PCB. Heat generated by other components can spread through the copper poor and affect these sensors. Therefore, it's important to remove copper poor around temperature-sensitive components. In our design, we don't have a temperature sensor, so I will just choose an area as an example. Click Place, Prohibited Region, then draw a box around the area where you want to clear the copper poor. In the pop-up window, under Prohibited option, select Copper. Press Shift-B to update. This clears the copper poor in that selected area. In addition, after copper poor is applied, there may be some sharp angle regions, which can also be removed using the same method. Next, we will ground the crystal oscillator to improve the reliability of its signal. First, draw a trace around the oscillator. Then place a prohibited region to remove copper poor within that area. Finally, add several GND vias. This completes the grounding for the crystal. Lastly, let's optimize the Silkscreen. For any detonators that don't need to be shown, you can either delete them directly or select the components and uncheck the detonator option in the right side properties panel. Generally, we add Silkscreen labels for key components and interfaces on the PCB. For this design, we need to label the pins on both sides, the buttons, the LED, and the USB interface. Click the yellow color block to switch to the Silkscreen layer. In this layer, go to Place Text to place text labels. After typing your text, click to place it on the board. In the right-hand panel, you can adjust the font and size. For certain fonts like Arial, you can enable inversion to make the Silkscreen more prominent. You can also use place line to draw lines, arcs, and other shapes on the Silkscreen layer. If you need to batch edit Silkscreen text size, you can select one of the labels, right-click, choose Find, Find All, and all similar Silkscreen items will be selected. Then you can adjust their properties together in the Properties panel. That's all for this video. See you next time.